My top YouTube short has over 10 million views. My second highest YouTube short has 6.9 million, and my third has 4.8 million views, with other YouTube shorts that I've created in this view range over 1 million views. So, how do I feel about my YouTube shorts that are now growing? I feel like it's great. I'm not over the moon, but I'm sort of like, that's a nice metric to have a look at. I also have some other analytics that I dive in and have a look at with these YouTube shorts. I'm able to see who's viewing, where from, what their gender is, and of course if they're subscribed. I can also see how much money I'm earning from these YouTube shorts as a result, in its entirety of its lifetime being on the platform, and also how much it can earn per day. So I'm checking all of this data and all of these analytics so that I can kind of report back to people when they come up to me and they're like, hey, so is YouTube a good place to come and put all my effort into, put all my eggs in the YouTube basket? Now, I'm not going to say anything on that matter right now, but when people come to me, these are the type of metrics that I have a look at in order to recommend the platform. So the better these metrics are, the more I can recommend the platform. One of the things that I think a lot of platforms always do is always ask you, like, would you recommend this as a career for somebody? Would you recommend somebody being a creator on our platform? And those are the metrics that I have a look at to decide my answer. So when I am going through these surveys and stuff, because sometimes the platform asks you to answer these surveys, that's what I do. I look at how I'm performing and what's happening with me and my channel, and then I can respond accordingly. So if I'm feeling happy about my performance and how my content is performing, then I can have a better answer. So it's sort of like, when you're on YouTube as well, it's sort of like your grassroots of whatever your career could be or what you're building or your business could be as a result of being here as well. So the more you can also do as a result of your YouTube channel is also going to be a positive. So if you're able to grow your business, if you're able to reach your customer base, if you're able to reach the people that you want to share your passion with and grow within that industry that you're sharing, or something that you want to make within that industry, or something you want to do within that industry, maybe you want to work within that industry, there's all sorts of a variety of things that you could do as a result of being here on YouTube, or what you hope you could do as a result of being here on YouTube. I would say to anybody that's getting started, think about that when going into the platform. So if there's something that you want to achieve or something that you want to do, think about that every single time you're going to upload, because that's going to help you, it's going to drive you forward, and it's going to help you with your motivation. No, I don't think anybody really goes into YouTube thinking about just fame and just that kind of thing. It doesn't make any sense in 2024, especially somebody of my age demographic, to go in looking for fame when you're creating something on YouTube. That's not the end goal, because it makes no sense. It leads to nothing. It leads to just being popular. And I'm like, well, I was already popular anyway, so I'm on this platform. Like, you know what I mean? So, for example, in my my social groups, I was always the guy who was always popular. So that I'm already conditioned to kind of be like, yeah, I know how that is. That's not why I'm on YouTube. I'm on YouTube to do something bigger, baby, to help people, to do a lot more. That's why I'm here. So have that in mind when you begin to create things for yourself on YouTube as well. When you're deciding to do what you're doing, this is my advice to you. So I also thought, YouTube Shorts was the main topic I was talking about here. So I'm kind of gone off a tangent. I'm talking about this next thing. Let me fix that, but I've kind of gone off on a tangent a little bit here. So YouTube Shorts is an opportunity where you could potentially reach more people, reach more viewers, and potentially bring them into the other types of content on their channel. You can build an intrigue based on your passion, or whatever you're doing, and that can spark your audience to learn who you are, find out more about what you're doing. Why are you doing that? What is it you want to do? Who is this person? Is this person on the spectrum? Is this person crazy? All of this will then start to bubble up in the viewers that can reach you as a result of your YouTube Shorts. So that technically is what YouTube Shorts is really good at right now. It's something that you can do and potentially reach your audience immediately, as opposed to maybe a long form piece of content taking that slight little bit more time. It could also help your long form content so that your normal seeded audience that you have on your channel through your browse features can find you straight away, watch your video, and help your video get pushed out to a wider audience. Also, your browse on your channel can also help you as well. Think about how your video is surfacing on YouTube. Those subscribers can help you as a result, which is the reason why normally if somebody has a lot of subscribers, they can have a base audience that they are building off, and then it can reach a wider audience as a result, because it basically says to the algorithm, this must be interesting because his audience is watching it, so maybe this audience will be interested in watching that thing. You get how that might work. Not saying that's the way it works, but that's potentially how we all think it would work, which is the reason why people aim at getting subscribers. Now, this could be a myth, this could be completely incorrect, but it doesn't matter, because I know that when you're doing that, you will have that sort of satisfying feeling of knowing that you're reaching somebody. The whole point is connection. You're connecting with people. So when you've got subscribers, everybody knows that you have been able to build a connection with somebody, and it sort of puts a value metric on you, because people must be subscribing for a reason. So regardless, is if you think the subscribers don't do anything for your channel's initial view duration or viewership of your video, it doesn't matter, because that metric is still there to show people that you have done something. It's literally there to be like, they must be subscribed for a reason, so let's go and check out that channel. So that's why that vanity metric, if it is a vanity metric now, can help you, and that's why YouTube Shorts could potentially help you, because you could get more subscribers, more views on your YouTube Shorts, which could help you with your monetization in the Shorts monetization as well. So yeah, I thought I'd get on camera and just talk about this real quick, give you a little bit of how I'm thinking about it, and share my experience with you. Like, it's like you know what I mean? People, like, you know, it's a bit of a guessing game until you have those analytics. So when you get those analytics in, that's another reason why YouTube Shorts can help you. If there's something that you're interested in creating, I tend to test it first with YouTube Shorts. So if I'm making something anyway, I'm going to make something, test it with the YouTube Shorts, see if it picks up, or use that to reach the audience that you could potentially have for your long form content. And it's sort of making the YouTube platform understand that maybe there's a demand for that thing that has got a lot of views through YouTube Shorts. So you're also, I've learned, because I've worked with AI, that you are teaching AI. So if YouTube is run by AI, you are teaching it what your interests are. So there are some other ways you can teach what your interests are on YouTube, but as your channel is one destination, your footprint, when you're building a bigger footprint in a specific niche or a topic, then that is building a place that gives YouTube the information of a demand of that thing that you've created. Why am I talking about that? Let me explain that. Not everything is on YouTube. So nobody knows, and the algorithm does not know, if something is an interest that people are interested in, because it's not on YouTube yet. How can YouTube know if something's interesting to somebody if it's not there yet? You are a topic. You yourself are a topic. Nobody knows, and the algorithm does not know if you are interesting. Nobody knows. So until you put yourself out, the algorithm doesn't know, the people don't know, and you don't know. So you're just living in like a non-knowing situation. Nobody knows if you and what you've got in your brain or who you are is a big interest to a wide audience. So you can use YouTube Shorts to find out. If you've enjoyed this video of me just sharing what's on my brain and letting my brain just run away in a video and pushing the microphone back on my head because it's broken, then smash that subscribe button. Or better yet, check out the video that you can see right here. This is the best, well, the video that YouTube says is the best recommendation for you to watch right now. So that's, you actually build this thing. you choose what this video is that displays right here, not there, here. Right, so this is the best video for you apparently from my channel. I have over 6,000 videos. There should be some more. Thank you for watching, and see you in that video.